This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Now, what if I told you that you could use Claude Opus 4.6 completely for free? Would you believe me? Hey subscribers, welcome back to the Haxshadow YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can access Claude Opus 4.6 without paying and with very low token usage, making it super easy to use. So, let's break it down and see how this actually works.
First, let's take a look at how to actually use this. To make things easier, I've already prepared a list of prompts, so I'll just copy and paste them as we go. Let's test how well it performs, and make sure you pay close attention because I'm using the Claude Opus 4.6 model here. So for the first prompt, I asked it to generate a list of bug hunting tags. Let's see how well it handles that and what kind of results it gives us. So as you can see, it generated a really clean and well-structured checklist. Everything is organized nicely, and each section is clearly laid out, which makes it super easy to follow. All right, now let's move on to the second prompt. Here, I asked it to generate a workflow for subdomain discovery and validation, basically finding subdomains and checking which ones are live. We're keeping this at a high level for learning purposes, focusing on how the process works rather than any automated exploitation. So let's run the prompt and see how well it structures the workflow and explains each step.
I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no harm.
While this is running, I want to quickly say something. A lot of people don't watch the full video, and because of that, they end up missing important steps. So I'd really recommend watching this video from start to finish. I've covered everything here, from setup to how it works, step by step.
Take a look at this. It generated the code really nicely. Now we're going to review how it built everything step by step. After that, we'll run a quick test to see how well it actually performs. So let's jump in and check it out.
I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't your words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever.
So, as you can see, it's working really well and performing exactly the way we expected. That said, it's a powerful tool that can help you build a wide range of things, as long as you use it correctly.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
All right, now let's take a look at how to set this up and what steps you need to follow to get it running properly. I also did some research on how powerful this tool actually is and what you can do with it. If you're interested, you can check that out as well.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible.
All right, first we're going to create an account on AgentRouter. You'll find the link in the video description below. Just click it and sign up. You can create your account easily using GitHub. And once you're signed up, you'll get $150 in free credits, which you can use to explore and work with AI for quite a while.
If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Now let's take a look at how to set up Claude Opus 4.6 and get it ready to use. I've also included the official link in the video description below. You can simply follow it and copy the steps from there. So let's jump in and see how the setup process works.
You wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell.
Now I'm going to show you how to set up the API in the router. I'm doing it step by step so you can easily follow along and set it up the same way on your end. Once the setup is complete, you'll just need to paste it into the terminal to start using it.
I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the.
So we've successfully completed the setup, and everything is now working properly. At this point, we can start using it freely within the available limits and explore how it performs in real use cases.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show
If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a comment telling me what kind of videos you want to see next.